right. So, I don't think we need to be on the record, but Mr. Ardalan, would you like to be, or are we good?
No, we don't need a record. The Rodriguez is a motion for a continuance. I'm not opposed to it. I would prefer if we reset for a preferential setting in like 30 days.
So May 19th, so first of all, okay, let me be really clear because I understood it had been very well articulated in the docket call that this was the trial setting. And I don't know that any of the issues that have been raised now were raised at that time. So I need to be very clear with you, Mr. and Mrs. Rodriguez, that I'm willing to, I want to thank Mr. Ardalan for agreeing, because absent that, we maybe have been going to trial on Monday. So it's very important that you, do you have an issue with this May 19th deadline for trial?
No, you don't. But I'm currently in the hospital, ma'am.
No,
So
and I see that, and I appreciate that, but I think that it's my understanding, sir, that you'd had your surgery even before the docket call.
Yeah, but I had
He's
complications.
had complications.
I have complications.
Okay, all right. So no issue with resetting it to May 19th,
No, ma'am.
but that's the date that it's got to go.
Okay, ma'am. I mean, I'm trying to take care of myself. This was unfortunately what's happening to me. Went to go see my primary yesterday, and she took X-rays, and then I got a phone call to come. So
I don't want, I don't want you to burden yourself anymore, Mr. Rodriguez. I see that you're in the hospital, but I just want you to also know that, just like Judge Meacham discussed with you, you can agree to a bench trial, which would make this a lot easier to not have to do the entire jury trial. Still, it's your call. If a jury trial is what you want, then we'll reset it for May 19th. But I do want you to think through that. And if there's any chance you change your mind, you need to let Mr. Ardalan know right away, because we could take care of that a lot easier than a jury trial. You know, a jury trial, it's taxpayer funded to bring 50 people here and try and get them seated. So if you change your mind about that, you need to let Mr. Ardalan know right away. And I'm thankful to him for allowing it to be reset, but we got to get this thing to trial. So one way or the other, bench trial, jury trial, it's got to happen. Understood?
okay. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Then I'll excuse you both from the Zoom this morning. And Mr. Ardalan, if you want to circulate an order and send it to me, resetting the case for that date, do so, and I'll get it signed and entered for you as soon as possible.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. You're all excused. Please take care.
Thank you, Anna.
Thank you.
All right. If folks from Colvin versus Outlaw Paintball can get back on